Hey, it's MZ here. Welcome back to my channel. I had a request to do a flip through of the Wolfpack Tarot deck, so that's what I'm going to do with you guys today. Came in a little top box. It's called the Wolfpack Tarot deck, created by Robert Petro. There's 78 cards. Each card is printed with its own interpretation, making it simple for an astute or amateur card reader. So there's no guidebook with this one, because all the meanings are printed on the cards. And it was published in 1995, so I assume this is out of print. I found it on eBay, and I'm pretty sure you can find it yourself as well if you're interested in this. I only got it last month, so it's still around online. So it starts off with the simplicity of this deck appeals to astute amateur tarot card readers, and it offers a 10 card spread with these cards. And then there's a bit about the creator. He's a psychic and trance medium. And there's a website if you're interested to know more about the creator of this deck. And it talks about a 10 card reading spread that it offers. And shows you how to do that there. Yeah, let's just zoom in and show you the cards. First card we have is Alpha Male. And it says here, this card represents a very powerful male that will be coming into your life within the next 12 months. This person could change your life. He could be a stockbroker, lawyer, doctor, real estate agent, or benefactor. He will not be a lover. This interpretation only applies when it shows up in a shuffled spread, it says. And then that's what the backs look like, little paw prints. And then we get Alpha Female. This card represents a very powerful female that will be coming into your life within the next 12 months. This person could change your life. It's got the same writing: stockbroker, lawyer, doctor, real estate agent, or benefactor. She will not be a lover, so it's exactly the same thing. Some of these cards are vertical and landscapes. I'm going to have to keep switching. So this one is the past. You will find yourself dealing with all issues from the past, such as family, friends, money, feelings, lawsuits, papers, and health. No time to avoid. Deal with these issues and move on. Before is family. You will find that family and friends will give you a sense of joy and healing, a reunion, return of a friend or relative. Old family matters are put to rest. Reconciliation. Cute little puppies. Healing. From an old injury, now is the time for mental, physical, and soul healing. Seek solitude, nurture yourself. Rest and let yourself heal. The process takes at least 5 months. Then once again, the doorways will open in your life. There's a wolf in a cave on a hill. Balance. You may find it difficult to maintain emotional balance because someone or something in your life is creating obstacles, a need for change, realignment. There's a wolf trying to balance on a log in a lake. I would definitely fall off if I tried that. So clumsy. And then we've got number 7 is love. You may now find your soulmate and marry within 12 to 18 months, or better your present relationship. Your decision means commitment, harmony, and security. I don't know how I feel about giving these time frames of months. I don't think that's the sort of thing I like in this deck at the moment. My only critique right now. Then communication is good news from a distance. Communication about love or business. You are open to new opinions or ideas. A line of communication is established with a friend or loved one. We have entrapment. You may feel trapped by a person, career, money, or children. You may also feel that things are closing in around you. This will end within 9 months. Planning is needed. Number 10 is risk. You must not take any risks at this time, such as love, money, or career. You may find yourself manipulated by someone you love or trust. Be alert. 11. Hidden forces. For the next 11 months, hidden forces are at work for you. Writing, publishing, marriage, investments or career. This is a time when plans are needed. Travel, destiny card. Completion, a time of reward, opportunity, success, love, money and good health. A stranger brings good news. The completion of lessons finally learned. Feeling of self-satisfaction concerning a job well done. Caution, something may look easy. Be more cautious in investments, career and love. Could have a long-lasting effect. Be careful. Take time to think things through. Do not act hastily. Be aware. Discovery, a time of self-discovery, breaking away from old roots and habits, an opportunity to start a new life, a time to look at things from a different perspective. Do not look back. Money is coming. Innocence, a time when you're open to new ideas and an opportunity to build a new life. May indicate a move, finding the child within, a time to play. Do not take things so seriously. Friends, a friend is about to play a very important role in your life. Nurture this friendship. New friendship is coming your way. A job offer may come from a good friend. A trip with a friend may be planned. Obstacles. You will encounter obstacles at this time. The solution is not to expect defeat, but to find answers. Rely on your inner strength to overcome this situation. You'll become wiser from this experience. I won't read through all of these because I'll be here all day. So I'm going to start just reading the keywords and you can pause it if you want to read what it says. So the support. Emotion. Home. Fulfillment. New beginnings. Gifts. Leadership. Loss. Oh, he's howling in pain. That's sad. Temporary situation. Just going through a storm of snow. Things will get better. Very temporary. Abundance. Walking away. Danger. Guidance. Stranded. Children. Wisdom. Anger. Transformation. Judgment. Opportunity. That's a really pretty card. Look at the stars. Compassion. Battle. Long journey. Control. Reunion. Happiness. Temptation. Defeated. Carelessness. Strength. cleansing, be alert, outcome, crossroad, choices, lessons, the fool, rejoice, guilt, good advice, isolation, awareness, trust, endurance, respect, waste, excessive pressure, messenger, the well, decisions, famine, intent, truth, turbulence, cycles, security, persistent, the trickster, release, self-reliance, and the last card is prayer. Really like the keywords in this deck. I think they're quite useful. Some of them, just like the well, for instance, might not be helpful, but it's got all the information on the cards anyway. So yeah, I really like the keywords in this deck. And the reason I got this in the first place is because I went to a tarot reading and they said I had a spirit guide that was a wolf. So I wanted to tap into that wolf energy, and the imagery is great. It's like a little storybook that you'd see in like a kid's children's book or something. It's just really well drawn, and you can see the emotive in their faces of the situations of the keywords, like the trickster there. The one where it was about grief and he was howling at the sky, and he was happy there, new beginnings. Just really well made. I quite like this deck. I'm going to use it this month. But yeah, that's the Wolf Pack tarot deck. I wouldn't really necessarily call it a tarot deck. A bit misleading. It's a bit more like an oracle, really, because it doesn't follow the tarot card system or anything. It has its own little system and its own keywords, but there are some things that it has the Fool as one of the cards, but it has its own little system going on. So I'd call this more an oracle deck. But such a great little, cute little animal deck. I'm not an animal deck fan really, but I really like this one. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.